After years of protecting the accused.
What made you finally come forward and tell the truth?
It was a time when Glenn asked me to kill his own father, Joaquin Guerrero.
Order in the court!
Based on records, the death of former Mayor Joaquin Guerrero was due to a heart failure. Sinasabi mo bang hindi ito aksidente?
Ay, hindi po. Nung nalaman ho ni Mayor Joaquin Guerrero na ang leader ng mga illegal na gawain sa Calabari, yung anak niya si Mayor Glenn, pinuntahan niya to. Nagtalo silang mag-ama. Kasi inatake si Mayor Joaquin.
Anong ginagawa ni Glenn Guerrero during this time?
Nung inatake si Mayor, sa kwento niya sa akin, pinahirapan niya. Hindi niya binigay yung gamot. Yung maintenance medicine. Tapos pinanood niyang mamatay sa atake sa puso yung tatay niya.
Order in the court! Order in the court!
Pinatunayan ng prosekusyon na si Glenn Guerrero ang pangunahing utak sa smuggling ng iligal na droga at barel at sa money laundering na nagmula sa isang warehouse sa Paseo de Calabari.
Accused Glenn Guerrero, please rise. The court is now ready to promulgate its judgment.
Criminal case number RTC branch 4032-2026-0912, People of the Philippines versus Glenn Guerrero. In the dispositive portion of the decision, the court finds the accused Glenn Guerrero guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crimes charged. Accordingly, he is here sentenced to reclusion perpetua, together with all accessory penalties provided by law, and is ordered to pay the corresponding fines, damages, and civil liabilities.
So ordered. Court is now adjourned.
Sa desisyong inilabas ng korte, si Roman Santiago ay mahatulan ng mas magaan na parusa matapos makipagkasundo nito na tumayong state witness laban kay Glenn Guerrero. Samantala, si Dr. Cecilia ay hindi makukulong. Ngunit, tuluyan ng tinanggalan ng lisensyang medikal at ipinagbawal sa anumang posisyon sa gobyerno bilang kapalit ng kanyang mahalagang kooperasyon sa kaso.